You dey listen to Area Yami.
Yes, we don't show. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost quarry. Niger FM 102.7 for Lagos. MC Natural, Osam, and OTB we dey for the matter. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost quarry. We get one who get guest for studio with us. But because of that, make a run. Say thank you, Larry Badmus. When we say you power this program for us, Larry Badmus. In case you want do your motor, when we say make it dey kakaraka their engine oil, you go buy them. They get car care products, they get house care products, they get hotel range products. They there for everywhere nationwide. Patronize Larry Badmus Industries Limited. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost quarry. Osam. We'll get somebody for studio.
Yes, so now strong man, and there is what they call a personality. Eminent one at that. Please, can you say eminent for me?
Eminent one.
Thank you.
For that.
Not shout out.
I say make a shout out, my brother. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost quarry. The three wise men of Niger FM, we dey here live with somebody very, very important. When we say, now then be the movable and shakeable of Lagos State Police Force. They talk about CSP Olumiwa Adejobi. When we say I be the Police Public Relations Officer, PPRO, Lagos State Command.
You're welcome, sir.
You're highly welcome, sir.
The three wise men are here now.
Police don't endorse us.
He don't endorse us. Who are we again? Who will we?
Public relations of police say the three more live like that.
No, leave her like that.
That station we do already.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir. All right, make it for no loss, make it for no cost quarry. Area out a day, like we talk, I'm say today we will bring a PPRO of Lagos State come here. We don't show. Oga, how is everything, sir?
I did as natural as I was there.
Now with full confidence, Oga to the talk. I like that. You know that. All right, sir. All right. Make it for no loss, make it for no cost quarry. Oga, with you know, as Lagos maybe Nana be saying Nana the are you be the person they talk for Lagos State? We say we could bring you so that we will touchlight so many things when we say they happen for with Lagos State. Talking about security issues in Lagos State, you know, how prepared when we say the command day, you know, in terms of tackling the.
We just need the update.
Yeah. You know, generally, yeah, you know.
Because there are security issues, there might not be a divergence, but if you use old man says, just tell us, say, like this, not like this.
Yes.
The thing we say generally Lagos, no yawa for Lagos. As per security, we did Gidigba for granted. The thing we enjoy for Lagos, we say Lagos geography as it spread.
Yeah.
It make it easy for us to police Lagos.
Okay.
Apart from the geographical situation with the people with the Lagos, where they live for Lagos, or where they work for Lagos, then they cooperate with police and other security agencies.
Okay.
Then the government of Lagos State, they try not be small, because if you count them, we get 110 divisions.
Okay.
Lagos and 14 area commands, and of course almost 56 sections.
That's within that Lagos.
Where they under Lagos State Police Command.
Yeah.
Apart from Lagos State Police Command, where Akim Odumosu they manage, you see get almost 16 police formation. We get their own CP or their own AIGO. But now I think they say now only Lagos Command where Akim Odumosu the pilot. 9 people they
as the CP.
As the CP, 9 people they sabi. But generally all police wait there for Lagos. Even those who don't be police, will be security, where they wear khaki or where they wear any uniform. Now then the state government they support to make sure say we do what we support. To make sure say Lagos they safe.
Okay.
Generally Lagos, no yawa for Lagos.
Well, I think no agree with you with that too. But this is not police priority.
No yawa. The thing where they call yawa might not be yawa.
Okay, now, but I got the security to talk about. Yes. Another thing where I want to ask based on the security arrangement, you people, policemen, when they work hand in hand with any other security outfit, like all these private security firms, or when they give them maybe like how will I put it now, seminar on all those kind of level, or when they collabo.
Really collabo well. They also registered private security companies.
Abi?
No do them or relay with police.
Abi?
Not do. Because see so many of them they even use policemen to do their job here and there. Apart from their men, where they put uniform for, where they work for some companies, some private places, they open gate, they do this. No, how we know they give them security tips. Because we know, say, many of these kind of people where they recruit from their various companies, and then they backslide, they do yawa, they do something where we say
they do palatable.
Giving information to these bad boys, trying to do dirty job with to their own organ. So now they make us always relate with them. Say, come on, bros, if you get these guys, make you always relate with their DPO. Profile them. Apart from say you profile them, profiling them, we are told to say they go open file for them. Get their passport, get their address, get their referees and person will go stand in case the guy go commit.
That is person
go commit.
We won't register.
Now you go hold. Say come, this is not a guarantor. If anything happen, and this man go hold. So most of them, they don't encourage them. Make they open file for them. Make them profile them. Not be say one guy go just come from one village. Go say uncle, I want to do job. Don't know what they do for village. We pursue and call Lagos. No. I go just carry and say I don't see my brother. I don't see my kinsman. May you come work with me. Say na my brother. It's the way you do no go no. So make you profile them. We always talk to them, lecture them, make them profile all these guys where they want put
for work.
Security job no be thing. Where you go just say na padi runs. Hey, you do padi runs. No be so. Then you do padi runs. And me I dey always talk and say no be even security. No be constituency project.
Yes.
You know some politicians go say na my brother, na my constituency.
Make a give an yes.
Make you come work here. No be so that they do am more. Anybody where you no trust, anybody where you no know well, make you no give an security.
Thank you for that one, because again before we enter into the other two sub questions, you get some things where actually they bother us right now, because right now everybody knows say now how will I put it now wide knowledge say kidnapping they happen, and one or two things done times we don't hear say for inside Lagos State one kidnapping or the other. Now the thing now be say, is it that people they fear to give information to police where be say when you know say kidnappers carry somebody come a particular location or a particular hideout, the people will be the community around that area, they know they fit, they report to police say some kind of things that happen for years where be say we no understand why you know we know they get to this
may I talk for the past 1.5 years going to almost don't they go 2 years now we say you know recall kidnapping for Lagos. No kidnapping for Lagos. The two way happen recently now under Ogun. Now the boundary for under Lagos and Ogun. Now Ogun has it. No be for Lagos. You get rumor where they carry sometimes see people from Lekki Ikoyi Bridge, Link Bridge, say they kidnap there. Now lie. Any no kidnapping way it go happen where the person will be victim no go shout, and even if the parents on there's no go no. Until now that kind of case where they talk, we don't provide, we don't investigate, we don't monitor, no victim, no suspect. So it just people will just come on social media, come begin the raise unnecessary alarm, say people don't want to talk, or I dey look for traffic for my Twitter or for my Instagram, I want make you follow me. They will just raise noise, and me when they want them, anybody will just come like that begin the raise unnecessary alarm. Now offense though. Na criminal offense. Anybody wey guy will keep on for our 5-star hotel for Panti make it. No, you're 5-star. Na 5-star hotel they play there for there.
Is it a 5-star hotel?
You know, but it's still good. I want to be as objective as possible, because I go play the devil's advocate. I will still talk about from your own point of view, and we still get like this one now. What this your question? We put to say, but I say there's a recent ban of Okada.
Okada, yeah.
What it prompt them? What it be the thing we be say this Okada too many, because they reach like 2,300. No day for that Amu Dolphin area. Don't be small matter. They line up like saying I show you that they sell Okada there, but now men they there. What it prompt them?
On Monday, this Monday we just passed.
Yes.
We do Lagos State Security Summit meeting. The governor na him call us.
Yes.
My CP did there. My CP na him give the lead lecture for that place. We roll out we call an appraiser of security situation in Lagos State.
Okay.
The general appraiser of security situation. Now him call him. But they ain't tell them. Nobody say when you talk at this level, this age where we dey. Nobody say open mouth begin they talk. You must talk with figures, empirical facts.
Yes.
Now the statistics of crimes what they take Okada do for Lagos. Now my Oga begin they roll out for them one by one. They come so crazy like 250 cases Okada na in cause am. 6 accidents Okada na in cause am. This traffic robbery will be saying na be major problem wey we face for Lagos now.
For Lagos,
the way Okada, the role where Okada play, na plenty pass. When you can't bring all these things together, everybody where they all the panelists, all the KBC them, all the youth leader, the politician, everybody where they all the stakeholders, and they agree say it means say the best thing for us for Lagos as a mega city where we dey shout. make a ban okada. So, then the governor come say you go ban if you want ban okada we must look for alternative. Now he say next week where they come so
this
he go launch mini buses.
Okay.
They don't buy them plenty. He go roll them out. Make people they use. So that when they come out okada for street for
people no go dey stranded.
They no go they suffer. They go feel like too much.
Okay, I want to ask something about this banning of this okada now. Is it that say they ban them for major trunk roads or they ban them totally?
The governor never talk about banning okada or no banning okada. But we know say the plan people there that committee that summit don't agree say me they ban okada. Okay. But now when government come out officially black and white, now you go know how it be. But the thing where they talk about the meeting be say resolution be that. The thing where they talk about the meeting be say me they ban am Gabadaya. Okay. That's why outside they talk am. Okay. They ban am Gabadaya.
I'm not gonna lie when I
don't roll out that boss. That's they ban in shop.
Oga, I've been asking you. I said, won't enter inside traffic robbery. Traffic robbery with me, I know, not be snatching of car or say the thief car. It's robbery where they happen inside traffic, and I notice say you know guy they want to do them. Whether we like them or not, Lagos State can never be 100% crime free. Things must happen, and as the people are, a lot of people don't they come and they talk say they rob people for Allen Junction, they rob people for this
black spots
day. Now these black spots where they take they rob people, especially where they dey for inside junction of a hold up, you go see school us on where these things they. Why it be say police never really go that place when they talk, say when they make that place free? Because I would give you one instance. Myself, I dey drive for K2, people they knock from my window. They do like area boys. They knock. I just wave them aside. Now they knock and I look them. Now they say if I don't wind down, they go break my side mirror. Now the way they say they threaten innocent drivers, motorists now. So talking about traffic robbery, what if you now own definition or the black spots of traffic robbery where they happen?
You know,
for the time?
Traffic robbery not get two names now. Traffic robbery. Because the thing where they happen inside traffic, now they call traffic robbery.
Yeah.
And these bad boys not be say that they one place. That they move waka up and down. Even if you put police for one point, they go come out there. They will come out for where you put police.
So another location.
Waka is either they waka for leg or they carry okada.
The same okada.
Okada. So they go waka inside traffic. You know, say okada they easy to maneuver. So they waka kurukere inside traffic to go and do what you want to do. And when they do and finish, they go jump. And the okada go they wait for them. When they jump, they try, hey, they only help me. Now okada go carry them. Then they can move. So the thing we will do be say, we might don't get plenty okada. The governor give us plenty okada. And the commissioner come carry them, give motor traffic division. Maybe they take them, do surveillance inside traffic. But the yawa way they be say this boy plenty. And you know say traffic robbery, we call them silent road because they know they fire gun.
You did it away.
If they no fire gun, you go no say anything they happen there.
Yeah.
They did they rob person for you know how people do they fear. They rob person now. Most of them when we arrest them now, all this dummy gun no be real gun. Now all this fake gun. I'm telling you all this story.
Just
when my small skin they use for Ben 10, I mean they call them. And they take fire. Say fire. And the thing they say our people suppose, even we will be guys, suppose there is someone courage small make it know that when somebody carry dummy gun,
we not
courage.
Make
you go know say na dummy gun. You get one person when they take Coca-Cola bottle, collect phone for your hand. Now when they go, you don't say uses with this boy, throw the coke for grass. You know say Coca-Cola bottle thick, they go for neck. You think say na puller.
Now go better way, no tear am.
Now the guy drop the thing throw away. Later I know say na Coca-Cola bottle.
Oga name courage na both joint name.
Well, as we talk about this traffic robbery, another way we say they worry boys for inside, worry people generally, especially for inside hood. Got to wait till they call they say they be cultists. We say for Jota not be smart, boys just come out to they fight. They say waiting na cultists. You go here for Ajegule, say they do na cultists. You go here for Bariga, say boys come out to na cultists. It can't be like say those is what we hear cultists matter na for like university.
We know. You go they hide them.
You don't change now your own time don't change now. Everybody they do court now. Any small boy who just want to become big for your locality where he must join. He must join. I've been a Vikings. I've been at this. I've been at that. I say go join. The thing where they be say they plenty.
So, but what the police they really do?
The thing where we do be say where we they seed them, they feed the heat much now. Ikorodu side and Ekpe Aja, Ekpe local government Etiosa side. all these okay now small day for Badiga where they talk. So if you want to see the court headquarters now that those kind of places. And the thing we say we notice say now where we get strong boundary between Ogun and Lagos. Now the begin they happen. Okay. So we can't see for instance say Alakuko side, we dey feel am for that side. See Ikorodu we dey feel am. Ekpe now in the extend towards Aja we dey feel am. The thing where we can't do we say we dey work with Ogun State government, not Ogun State government, Ogun State police command. Because the large number on that side. Okay. So may they work with us. You get the thing where you put for grant, make it work and do something about that. Then we don't go Ikorodu, you don't pack them plenty. And the thing we come good for us, we say the new law, Lagos State anti-cult law, where Lagos State government do a good well because the landlord will give them house. He go here when
confirm
the mama papa we know saying boy they do wrongs like that. We no shout, we no talk. He go here when the boy themselves when they do courts, we no one talk. They go here when and anybody we allow in property, whether you be landlord or you be radio station or you be media house or you be bar lounge, you allow me to do anything court related crime or any activity, whether na to do initiation or to do meeting for your place, and we know. Now no do you go get an 15 years old.
All right, we dey come on Gamoko run throw number come out and people come and shook my for this matter.
We go fit just take like two OTB get another question.
I get one question.
We don't even get time. Now be the thing. We'll be four.
Moko run give her this number Nabi. Okay, go joint.
Sir, we notice say sometimes all these crime where they happen. Say normally we citizens are supposed to involve. You understand?
Involved to do crime?
No, involved. No, all this time that they involved to the report. But I noticed because I don't know how on the take how on the see them. I noticed that many people they fear because when you
point finger
and you the first come
it
carry.
Well, you mean the police?
That's the time. Many ways they.
And secondly, what's the security of that person after?
No, many ways they now where we they take reports. Where civilian members of the public they take reports issue to us. Other Twitter, they have the link and the link we don't broadcast and we see they broadcast them.
Okay.
Everywhere they follow the broadcast.
You go give
then anybody will go report, make you not take him out, go put himself for wahala. The case where they be say if you want report person to police, no say because I sabi Muiwa for my area in the state and my tenant and a policeman, I trust her. Go vomit, talk everything for a hand. You know they do. Go meet DPO, go meet area commander or senior officers. We be say when they hear the thing when you talk, they go value them. And some people they will say when you call us, you go strike finish. Now you go see take your mouth. Go tell them say now I know say police they work. One hand where I call them and they come. And on one hand they go no say now you go. It don't happen. Not be say now the case where I don't do.
Yeah.
Now the case where I don't do myself. Where person say they're smoking Igbo or also place for Lagos. Make incoming. Now me call. And I moved. I was trying to go there. They go pap them. Now the man he wear jalabia. He waka. He go. Waka. Hey. Yeah, no, say police they work. I call them the answer. So if you see this by don't work now. Now one of them will not you know there's no how you want it criminals. You go see the lift one when you say lock in mama law they follow up. And that one can't remain one man standing. Now you can say baba. So when they can't release, at the end of the day they went to court good them bail and the case was still on. But they were on bail. Now they go hit it, Baba. Wow. They brush and well, no be small. Now Baba come and say the thing will tell me leak. I go there, go do investigation. Now I say now Baba come here the following morning. Now the boss say police is a strong man in this community. As a senior leader for CDA, now he call police don't come. Now he take him out, put himself for trouble. Not all right time. The police is listening.
Moko run give this number. Maybe we'll take follow CSP Olumuyiwa at Dejobi. Follow talk the PPRO of Lagos State 0700 1102 0700 1102.
Hello, who dey for line? I no go lie you will just need get by 1 minute or 30 seconds to just ask your questions to to the CSP as a matter to go. Who dey for line?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Yeah, what will be your name?
Yeah, my name is Biodun from Surulere.
Okay, Biodun from Surulere. What will be your question we get for Oga?
Okay, yeah, my question basically now, I just talk about anonymous.
About what?
So, apart from using social media, and they get like website or even social media.
Okay, wait.
And also, I also need to encourage you in my area to do appreciate allowance in the project. Every night now, people need to work outside stadium. So, we take it for maybe we can just make it. I beg. You don't want to do it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for that.
Thank you very much for that.
I think if we hear that matter, when we talk, if we hear them, I think there's something about apart from the Twitter, whether they say website or
yes, make him give amount.
Yes, for
and secondly, say in area for allowance. Say that they disturb court issue and all that every night.
So I want to tackle that one now.
Okay, I will go before I come on for this. I will go give some platform how we say people they follow police. Yeah.
All right.
Every time.
Okay. Una fit reach us on our WhatsApp at that one na 09082858887 or 0700 na the number to call 0818-212-0734.
All right, hello. Line.
Hello.
Okay, we don't lose that call. We just get only one more call because of the fact say yes, our organic to read some kind of security numbers for us. But we say we go call and other things as the hot 0700 1001. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, who be this?
Reduce the volume of your radio and talk fast, I beg.
Okay. Kayode from where?
From Ajegunle.
Okay, Kayode sharply. Talk to
I've been wanting to discuss about this courses of 15.
Okay.
They worry us for that area.
Okay.
Which area be that?
Or boundary side.
Boundary side.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So what we get there? Two similar questions. One are from allowance, other one for boundary. But everybody say the same. Cultists. By the way, that the only two courses we take with that. Okay, what do you talk about these two? The cultism sins for that.
Like I talk with the new law, we just come now.
Yeah.
We go get all of them go get where we go keep them because I don't tell you the punishment. The person we do on 21 years, the person we assist or we give them property 15 years. And parent we be say Sabia, you know, won't do anything. That 1 or 2 years.
Okay.
At all, no I'm bad. Go take him play for Kiri or
no, but these parents matter. Everybody, some people, some quarters they talk say, what if the parents don't know anything about the Peking?
Bros, I lie, bros. I know they agree because there's no how your Peking. He waka for
Kurukere waka.
No court boy. If they do you go see the sign say you don't enter, they don't blend them. And if you don't blend, some of them they carry back. That by way they carry. No. Why you as a parent don't say make you open one day, waiting there inside? He know they do. No matter how poor court boy be, he go carry one small bag follow body. No do. The way they talk,
when they inside that bag.
That's why we say make they collect the bag, make the piece and make they see what's in the inside. The parent, if my pikin waka go outside now, come back. The bag where carry go. If you carry that same bag, come back. See check out what's the content. What's inside this bag. No do the thing. So even to the parent, the thing they shut them.
When they happen now, when they go into the anti-court law where they come out. So I don't know. We don't run out of time. So what we go do right now? Thank you so much.
Make I roll it. The numbers quick one. The number when you get this you won't complain to us. The number is 090 1051 2350 090 10 512350 or if you call 090 10 003792 090 10 003792. On Twitter you can get her at Lagos Police NG that's command Twitter handle you get her. Then RRS Twitter handle that's another outfit we use, RRS Lagos 767 at RRS Lagos 767 at RRS Lagos 767. All my own is Prince _Muyen. Prince _Muyen. MUYEN. That's Muyen. Is there?
Anything like a website?
No, that's Abuja's website. Because command is not having a personal. Okay, because personal website. Even if you Google the police now, you're going to give you anything you want on the Nigerian. That's all.
That's all.
Make it for no loss. All right, Oga, once a very big thank you as you take comment. Come follow us, Shukman for this security matter. OTB, Osam, and of course, Boo Joint, MC Natural, the three wise men of Nigeria FM. We say very big thank you as you take come.
And for those of you where they wonder the matter they be, a very strong Ogbonge person 9 day for inside the studio with us. Then are the CSP Olumuyiwa Adejobi, then are the Police Public Relations Officer in the acronymical palace. PP English. Command.
You don't come.
For Lagos State Command. In there and a strong man, I want to say a big thank you, sir, on behalf of Nigeria FM 102.7. Say you can't grace us at least. Time no really day. This guy for sweet for 1 hour. I said the matter I made for the loss. I said
with the hope say next time if we call, you go actually come.
You go call.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure. Done. Not sure.
I don't get that job now to talk. I be parrot now. I go talk.
All right, now thank you. When we say now Shukmat for this matter, we just do. Now very important matter now we just do so. Thank you, Larry Badmus. My name MC Natural. Osam OTB Bojoint. Follow me for MC.naturalfunny. Ona by Gary.
Nigeria FM 102.7.